Did you know that the same ingredient that makes your cakes rise can also boost your health? It might sound surprising, but baking soda, that humble pantry staple, is more than just a baking ingredient. It's a powerhouse of potential health benefits, especially when consumed first thing in the morning. But before we dive into the hows and whys, let's unravel the science behind this magic powder. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a chemical compound with the formula NaCO3. Don't let the chemical jargon scare you. It's a naturally occurring substance found in mineral springs and even in our bodies. What makes baking soda so unique is its alkaline nature. When mixed with an acid, like lemon juice or even the acid in your stomach, it creates carbon dioxide gas, which is responsible for the fizzing action. And it's this very reaction that contributes to its numerous health benefits. While baking soda can be beneficial at any time of day, many proponents believe that consuming it in the morning, on an empty stomach, provides the most significant advantages. This is because, in the morning, your body's natural pH levels are typically more acidic due to the metabolic processes that occur overnight, such as cellular repair and regeneration. Introducing baking soda at this time can help neutralize this acidity, setting the stage for better overall health. While mornings are optimal, baking soda can also offer benefits at other times. For instance, athletes or those engaging in intense physical activity might find it useful post-workout to help neutralize lactic acid buildup, reducing muscle soreness. However, it's essential to avoid consuming baking soda close to bedtime, as it can interfere with sleep due to its potential energizing effects. Morning boost: how baking soda benefits your body. Consuming baking soda in the morning jumpstarts your day by balancing pH levels. When you wake up, your body is in a slightly acidic state due to the metabolic processes that occur overnight. Drinking a glass of water with a small amount of baking soda can help neutralize this acidity, creating a more alkaline environment in your body. This balance is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. It helps neutralize the acidity in your stomach, promoting better digestion and reducing the risk of acid reflux. Plus, it boosts energy. By aiding in digestion, baking soda ensures that your body can efficiently break down and absorb nutrients from the food you eat. This not only helps in preventing digestive issues, but also ensures that you get the maximum benefit from your meals. Additionally, a balanced pH level can improve your metabolism, giving you that extra energy boost to start your day. The alkaline nature of baking soda can increase oxygen uptake, making you feel more energized and alert, and it supports detoxification. When your body is more alkaline, it can transport oxygen more efficiently, which is essential for cellular function and overall vitality. This increased oxygen uptake can enhance your physical performance, making your workouts more effective and less tiring. Moreover, baking soda acts as a natural detoxifier, helping your body eliminate harmful toxins and waste products more effectively. It acts as a natural antacid, helping your body flush out toxins more efficiently. This detoxification process is vital for maintaining a healthy liver and kidneys, which are responsible for filtering out toxins from your bloodstream. By supporting these organs, baking soda helps ensure that your body remains in optimal condition, free from the harmful effects of accumulated toxins. These are just a few of the many ways baking soda can benefit your body when consumed in the morning. Incorporating this simple habit into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. So why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? The science behind the fizz. Numerous studies support the benefits of baking soda. Research published in the International Journal of Sports Medicine found that sodium bicarbonate can improve athletic performance by reducing fatigue and increasing endurance. Another study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that baking soda can slow the progression of kidney disease in some patients. A multitude of benefits, from digestion to detox. The benefits of baking soda extend beyond the points mentioned earlier. Here's a more comprehensive list. Improved digestion, helping relieve heartburn, indigestion, and bloating. Enhanced athletic performance, reducing fatigue and improving endurance. Kidney health support, potentially slowing the progression of kidney disease. Oral health, neutralizing acids in the mouth, promoting healthier teeth and gums. Skin care, as it can be used as a natural exfoliant and to soothe skin irritations. This impressive range of benefits makes baking soda a true health all-rounder. While generally safe, it's crucial to consume baking soda in moderation. This common household item, often used for baking and cleaning, can have significant effects on your body when ingested. The recommended dosage is typically 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon mixed with a glass of water. This small amount can help neutralize stomach acid and provide relief from indigestion or heartburn. It's always best to start with a smaller amount and gradually increase it as needed. This approach allows your body to adjust and helps you avoid any potential adverse reactions. Excessive consumption can lead to side effects like nausea, diarrhea, and electrolyte imbalance, when key minerals the body relies on such as sodium, calcium, and potassium become too high or low in the blood. These symptoms can be uncomfortable and may require medical attention if they persist. It's also not advisable for individuals with high blood pressure, heart conditions, or kidney problems. The sodium content in baking soda can exacerbate these conditions, leading to serious health risks. Always consult with your doctor before adding baking soda to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized advice and ensure that it's safe for you to use baking soda as a remedy. Additionally, it's important to be informed about the product you're using. Make sure to read labels and understand the ingredients. Researching online or keeping a health journal can help you track your reactions and ensure you're using baking soda safely. When used correctly, baking soda can be a helpful and effective remedy. Just remember to use it responsibly and be mindful of the potential risks. Your health and well-being should always come first. Your morning elixir, a safe baking soda recipe. Starting your day with a refreshing and health-boosting drink can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. This simple recipe is designed to be both safe and effective, providing you with a gentle detox and a boost of energy. Here's a simple and safe way to incorporate baking soda into your morning routine. This recipe is easy to follow and requires minimal ingredients, making it perfect for busy mornings. Ingredients: 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Baking soda is known for its alkalizing properties, which can help balance your body's pH levels and improve digestion. 1 glass, 8 ounces of lukewarm water. Lukewarm water is gentle on your stomach and helps the baking soda dissolve more easily. Optional: 1/2 lemon, squeezed. Lemon adds a refreshing flavor and provides a dose of vitamin C, which can boost your immune system. Instructions: 1. Add baking soda to the glass of water. Make sure to measure the baking soda accurately to avoid any potential side effects. 2. Squeeze in the lemon juice if using. The lemon juice not only enhances the taste, but also helps in the absorption of nutrients. 3. Stir well until the baking soda dissolves completely. It's important to ensure that the baking soda is fully dissolved to avoid any gritty texture. 4. Drink the mixture on an empty stomach, preferably 30 minutes before breakfast. This allows your body to fully absorb the benefits without any interference from food. Remember, consistency is key. Enjoy your morning elixir and embrace the positive changes it brings to your health and well-being. A history of healing baking soda through the ages. Baking soda has a long and fascinating history. Ancient Egyptians used a naturally occurring form of sodium bicarbonate known as natron for various purposes, including mummification and cleaning. In the 1800s, baking soda became commercially available and quickly gained popularity as a leavening agent in baking. However, its medicinal properties were also recognized, and it was commonly used to treat indigestion, heartburn, and other ailments. Share your experience. Have you tried baking soda? Have you incorporated baking soda into your daily routine? We'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts and any noticeable benefits in the comments below. Discover more the power of turmeric water. Did you know that another potent drink can do wonders for your health? Check out our video on the incredible benefits of turmeric water and how it can transform your well-being, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more foodie facts. Thanks for watching.